All right. Welcome everybody to another exciting night of Tech Thursday. I am your host, Akeem Sanders, with my co-host,
Catherine.
Yay!
I actually did good today.
She actually did it.
On time.
On time. Good night, Joanne.
Good night, Joanne.
Good night. How you guys doing tonight? I mean, I just feeling fabulous. If I would teach your word.
Yes, he stole my term. Say fabulous, and it's fab, not fabulous.
What is it?
Fabulous.
Oh, fabulous.
Yeah.
Right. You know, I mean, this is the last Thursday in the month of July. We had an exciting month. We spoke about the Bahamas celebrating 46 years of independence.
Yeah.
And how technology has fit in. And I mean, tonight it's more than fitting that we just continue about it, and then see exactly now what the future holds 5 years from now. You know. Yeah, so that's what tonight's show is going to be about. So you guys don't go nowhere. Let us know in the comment section what you guys think about the topic.
Mm-hmm.
What needs to be improved, or what do you think is about to be improved in the Bahamas? Improved.
You said improved.
Improved, yeah. Improved in the Bahamas as relates to technology.
He was going political on us, so I'll say approved.
You know what?
Go to commercial.
Yeah. You guys don't go nowhere. Grab some popcorn, grab a friend, and let's grab a friend. Yeah, it's a nachos. Make sure they have the liquid cheese.
You only need your 3D glasses. That's extra.
Yeah. No 3D glasses tonight. We just throwing shade. Yeah, we just throwing a bunch of shade tonight. And forecasting what's going to happen. Why your face just
Smiling.
yeah.
Because I was thinking about movies. I was like, what movie I ain't watch yet? But like, you just get that. I was like,
right.
Joanny bring it out specifically for you. Trust me. He brought it out specifically for you.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
grab the cup. Yeah, I agree, Joanne. I just grabbed the cup.
Oh.
Yep. Yeah.
For you guys who come in here, I think this is like a show, but couples, no, it's
no,
not.
it's not.
This
no.
is actually a technology show.
Yeah, it is.
We look at technology in the Bahamas and where we're going, what's happening, what's new, and we want what we really want to do is bring the industry together and for other stakeholders to, want to say and do more in the industry to help grow the industry, and that's what Tech Thursday is all about, looking at technology in the Bahamas and growing the industry, the IT industry. So that's what the show is about. This ain't about popcorn. For you guys just tuning in, you might just be tuning in.
No, but it's popcorn because we talking about some hot topics tonight.
So it should be salty then. Oh, we don't do salty.
No, no, because you just have some nosy people who just eat popcorn. So yeah.
Okay.
So just but even if you nosy, comment and let us know where you is, man.
Take a comment on my new scarf.
Yeah, you understand? Like, why is Catherine wearing a scarf in 128,000 degrees?
I feel like I'm in Canada.
Like Joanne said, hot. So
I feel like I'm in Canada.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, Canada.
You need to go get tested. But we'll be right back right after this short intro. And we're back. Yeah. I almost pulled a set. If your hair can't blow, you can't go. But anyway, that carried me way back. But yeah.
Well, I have plenty moments of this. Y'all don't understand.
Oh boy, yeah. So we're streaming live on Facebook and YouTube. So if you haven't joined our WhatsApp group or a part of our WhatsApp listing, I should say, to be notified when we go on live. Let us know. Send us an inbox. As a matter of fact, let's do this very quick. You should have our telephone numbers, but just for the sake of time, you just throw it up there. Telephone numbers is what?
Rosie put it up there. For our new viewers who are just coming on, you might just be seeing that the most fabulous couple in the 242 is on. What we're talking about today, we're saving our special guests for August because we felt as if we really have to appreciate the Bahamas and give it its due in July. When everybody has their birthday, they celebrate it for the whole month. So we felt it appropriate to celebrate the Bahamas for the whole month. So, but tonight's show, we're looking at where do we see in Sanders Consultants, where would we want to see the IT field in the next 5 years? Basically in the future.
The IT field or the Bahamas?
The IT field in the Bahamas.
And along with technology in the Bahamas.
Yeah, that's okay. Technology then, not only the field, technology,
right? The
IT field,
right?
But in the Bahamas,
right? So join our WhatsApp line. It's there on the screen. That's our next thing. Yeah.
We only WhatsApp with technology now. No WhatsApp. So that's what we're looking at today. And if you guys, like we said, we are an interactive show. We're an informative show. We talk about IT. So we want you guys to interact with us if you have any questions or you want to make a statement, even if you don't really even fully agree with what
we're talking about.
What we say here on Tech Thursday, voice your opinion. We're always here to banter, some more than others. I won't say what the other person is, but nonetheless. No, he's playing that himself.
These on cameras.
So y'all know, telling the truth. I wouldn't say who it was or who it is. But again, nonetheless. So tonight's show, we're looking at where we would want to see technology, the IT field, in the Bahamas, in the 242. So you guys, we are 242, we're referring to the Bahamas. And that's what tonight's show is gonna be about. And we, even if you have a question asked that's not related to what we're dealing with tonight or this evening, you can still ask a question. It's a show where we want to be able to help people, especially entrepreneurs.
You ready there, Joanne? Not sure what's happening.
She probably fell off.
Yeah.
But Tech Thursday is a show where we want to help, especially entrepreneurs, use technology in their business to make their whole business experience easy. Yeah, we had a client. But yeah,
Why are you talking about business?
Not really, but we always try to implement the most ease. Technology is really here to make our daily living easier. Mm-hmm. So we want everybody to integrate technology in their businesses, in their daily life, saving that couple minutes here. You could be doing something else. If that thing you're doing can be assisted by technology, use it. If technology can make things go faster, use it so you can and try to optimize your time in a day.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So I know somebody has tech news in a minute.
Yes.
Y'all see me back in like a few seconds.
She just want to come up the screen. That's all she wanted to do.
Really?
Yeah.
I love the screen. I'm like...
Right. So tonight's show is brought to you by Sounders Consultants. Sounders Consultants implement IT solutions that fit. Thank you, Sounders Consultants, for sponsoring tonight's show. If you have any IT concerns, any IT needs, be sure to give Sounders Consultants a call. They're open from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Mondays through Saturday, and sometimes on Sunday. But yeah, contact them and let them know what's the issue. Hey, Nadine. Tonight's show is also sponsored by Bahamas IP and Bahamas IP TV and Communication Solutions. Listen. If you are an average television junkie, like you watch movies, you watch TV shows, you watch different things like History Channel, Hallmark, right? Give them a call. All have channels for you. Yeah, very low prices. Give them a call after the show, though. Yeah, and tell them you got the number from Tech Thursday. Yeah. Tonight's show is also sponsored by Alive. Thank you, Alive, for sponsoring Tech Thursday. We really appreciate the support. You guys know that they just released their new plans the other day. So go ahead, as low as $4. So go ahead, stop into a live shop and get top up. Those are announcements for tonight.
Hey, I'm back.
She always looks so surprised.
When I am supposed to be on the screen. I think I'm supposed to be an actress, in reality. Trauma-free actress.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Right. So tonight, yeah, I had to take Caddy off the screen. Like, yeah, she was extra, man. She was extra.
What my public wants me.
I just can't.
It's so funny.
Yeah. So tonight we need your help. Like, as a matter of fact, let's bring it up on the screen, right? We want you all to let us know. We have some ideas, but we want you all to let us know, and we're going to fill these 5 spots up tonight. What are some of the 5 things drama is correct? I just don't understand, man. I just don't understand.
Love it.
But we want to hear from y'all. We want your participation in this. Mm-hmm. We want the 5 top things that you think is going to change in the Bahamas.
Not that
it's going to change.
Let me say it properly. It's not what's going to change. It's the 5 things that you would like to see change in technology in the Bahamas.
We're going to fill this out live.
In the next 5 years. What would you like to see, in this great 242 that has sunshine and rain sometimes? What would you want to see? We have what we would like to see in the next 5 years. You know? Yes! Public wants me, my darlings.
Oh, I can't, I can't,
I
I can't,
know.
I just
Joanne,
can't.
join in, Joanne, and cheer for
I
me.
can't. Where are my followers? Where are my followers? And the room gone silent.
Quiet! Crickets!
Yeah.
We should have crickets in the background. Y'all, we bringing sound effects for y'all in soon.
Oh, we have a big, big surprise next month. Just big.
It don't involve money, so. Oh, it does it?
She don't even know what the surprise is.
Oh, I need to be.
Yeah,
I need to clone myself, people.
She ain't even know what the surprise is, but don't tell nobody. August, big things that go on Tech Thursday.
Kirana Rigare.
Huh?
Oh, sorry.
Back to the 5.
Technology.
Back to the 5 things. Go ahead.
Okay. So one of the things that I would like to change, or I would love to see change within the next 5 years in the 242 is, he's going to bring it up right now. Okay. You're going to do drum rolls?
No, we actually doing this live.
What? I can't remember all those stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. I can't remember everything off my hand. That's why we have slides. Anyway, so one of the things I would love to see change is in the education field. I think.
Hold on. Whoop, whoop. Go Twins. Whoop, whoop.
I shall remember this. I should remember that traitorous actions in the will. No. But nonetheless, one of the things that I would hope in the future that would change technologically wise and in the IT field
is what?
Is education.
All right, so let's put education.
It's coming off.
Oh, Jesus, I can't spell.
And in education, people can spell better. Okay, the education ministry, that we would see improvement in it. You know, I feel that in education,
it ain't about idle, but
okay,
anyway.
This is what we'd like to see. Some of the top changes that the Department or the Ministry of Education would actually integrate technology into all facets of what it does. And we're talking more with the public schools rather than the private schools.
Oh, that's a good one. Go ahead.
Yeah, it's the government. Yeah, we go into that too.
Oh, just getting hot. Just getting hot. Tara's gonna be hot.
No, hold on.
Just getting hot. Just getting hot. I tell y'all.
Hey, anyway.
I tell you, get the popcorn. It can be hot tonight.
There's too much drama. There's too much drama for me and Isa. I love the drama.
Woo!
I'm like a drama vampire. I need the drama.
Hot.
But as I was saying, education. I feel the education department, especially in the public schools.
The education ministry.
The Ministry of Education, if you want to say it properly.
Yes.
They need to integrate technology in everything they do. There should be portals for students to do their homework. Everybody in the same grade should be at the same level in the sense, okay, example, if you're in grade 9 and you have grade 9-1 or grade 9A, whatever's top stream, all top streams should be doing the same things at the same time.
Sure.
And the Ministry of Education should put together, not a teacher, but the education should put out assignments and tests that these students could go into the portal, take the test at the same time. So everything is fair. So the grading system could be fair, because you'll have some students at one government school getting an A in maths, but their work was easier versus the students in school B who's doing the same maths is getting a D because their assignments are more intense. I think it should be uniformed, and that type of data that they're collecting, once everybody does it at the same time, they could collect the data and they could see where all of our grade 9s are at that certain time. And then that will also help. Having technology will also help when it comes to BGCSE. You know how to now formulate your questions on all papers, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it may be. It can be fair and we could get a true reflection of what is going on in our classrooms. And plus, it's even better for teachers because if you have a teacher, let's say grade 9, and you have this teacher performing at a stellar level, that teacher should get a raise based on the performance of the children. If all factors are even.
All right, we talking technology. You go on
That's technology.
to labor. You go on to talking about pay and all that. But I got your point.
But we talk about integrating technology. He just will bring the drama.
Oh yeah, I tell you this drama.
No more drivers. That was coming up next.
As a matter of fact, yeah.
But see, Joanne, you know it so well. You know he's getting on to that next.
Right. So matter of fact, let me bring that back up. Right. No more driving tests. All right. So our second thing that we came up with was not so much driving tests, but more
the road traffic department needs to be they need to use technology, especially when it comes to inspecting cars and all of that. Use technology. Don't use how you feel. Like if you don't like somebody, child, I can fail them, and their driving test or whatever. Like no, let's just use technology when it comes to inspection. Making that process easier. Certain things we can do online. We don't need to be standing out forever. If we want to prepay online for our driver's license, we can prepay and then just go in and do the inspection. It should be easy
and seamless.
Yeah, easy and seamless. And that actually was one on our list. So Joanne, I will call you like, Cleo, call me now. You really saw what we were going into.
Right, but now let's even take it a step further, right? Mm-hmm. Like even with let's say on the traffic department, right? Mm-hmm. When there's an accident, this and next thing, we feel that there should.
But road traffic is different from traffic police now.
No, but
what are we talking about?
No, but in general, we're just talking about the traffic.
Okay.
Right. So traffic actually relates to licensing your cars, paying for your license. The roads, the use of
the potholes in the road.
The potholes, this new yellow box thing. I see popping up on major thoroughfares, and then I started watching some YouTube videos. I started understanding it, and then they say, "Oh, if you get caught inside the yellow box, you get a ticket."
What?
Yeah, but anyway, that's a whole other thing, within itself. But if you have an accident, all of this paper thing and all of that, I feel that that the police or whoever is there, filling everything out. Yeah, you're filling everything out on this tablet. Mm-hmm. It's already pre-filled.
Or smart device, whatever.
Yeah, whatever it is, you just put in the necessary information. And you let each party verify that it is true and this and that thing. They sign on the spot. That information gets sent to
instantly.
Yeah, instantly to headquarters or whatever. You automatically get a copy of the report.
Traffic department.
I mean, you just go ahead and go to the insurance and get your claims, and it just should be seamless. Like take photos along with it to attach the report. Like you don't have to wait for the human being to go back in the office now and
that takes forever.
Who
didn't know?
Yeah.
And that slows up the whole process.
Yeah, so
of an accident.
Yeah, so from the traffic aspect, we think that things should improve.
Yeah, in the next 5 years, these are going to improve. So don't forget, that's what we're talking about.
Right.
These are the improvements that we hope happens in the 242 doing within the next 5 years, or even faster. It would be better.
So y'all let us know and keep them coming.
Joanne, you really know what we was gonna say. You need to host a show one day.
Yeah.
You know what we was just gonna say.
Yeah.
So that's one thing we feel too, because every time you go to get a passport or something, you have to put in the same information. If there's one centralized data information area, and let's say you're applying for your passport, and they need your grandmother's birth certificate, whatever. Once you put in a code or something, and that department could say, hey, let's say the passport, for example. The passport department could go to them and say, hey, we need XYZ information. They applied for a passport. We need this information on them. But it's there.
Mm-hmm.
it's there. Like we don't have to like go to the registrar's department to find the same information over and over and over again. I think it's a bit tasking. You know, for a lot of times, a lot of people don't even know their great grandmother's name or their grandmother's name. They don't even know that stuff. So then where does that leave them?
Mm-hmm.
You know, so we need a centralized documentation area that's gonna ease up this headache.
I think if I'm not mistaken, I think this was announced a few weeks ago.
Area. Mm-hmm.
I really don't understand why Catherine has like four of us.
Sorry, that was not me. Don't he blames me for everything.
Yeah, she have like four of us saying the same thing.
Listen, that's
Like
not me.
I looking at the phone there, looking at the phone there, and all us.
I love to see my image.
Oh man.
I should have been.
I think the government started this process a few weeks ago.
Did it?
If I'm not mistaken, in regards to the renewal of the passport, I think they'll be getting the information from NIB or something like that because NIB already have all of these informations already. So
Okay.
I think the government now is in doing things in that right direction, but there still needs to be a whole lot more things to be done in that regards. The other government agencies now need to get on board and stop asking people for the same things over and over and over and over when you just carry down the road. Just have agencies talk to one another.
Yeah, using technology. You know, like
yeah.
Now, I not physically speak because I could imagine somebody trying to get her information. She called me for that. Who she think she is? You know, like you put in the request, it doesn't show who is request. I mean, it should have some authorization. Well, obviously they'll figure that part out, but it should be more or less.
We'll also help the government figure it out at a cost.
We can, yeah, at a cost.
Yeah, for free. Tax is for free.
That's it.
Right. Oh, just so you know, like that's where you come here to Tech Thursday, you get all your free tips. But when you talking about now outside of Tech Thursday, yeah, you just in that little thing.
Joanne, you know our fourth one yet? Put it up, selector.
But I mean, but you guys let us know what you guys think. I mean, these are some of the things that we came up with. But why
you would like to see improve?
Yeah, that we think that we
I come into a good one, people.
Yeah, and I mean that'll be improved in the next 5 years.
5 years, and I think we're getting there.
Yeah, I think so.
I think we'll be able to get there.
Yeah, so I mean, if y'all are any more ideas, let us know. What Joanne say? At the airport, traveling to, etc.
Well, that's a good one too.
Yeah. What else?
Well,
should we add that on the board? Airport travel?
Yeah. Traveling should be seamless. But that wasn't actually it. But we'll go with that. TRAV.
Listen, y'all
education to the top.
Yeah, y'all have been spelling things live on the rack.
It's 2 L's in traveling.
Listen, Google spell traveling.
Yeah. No. Nonetheless.
Did I spell this correctly? Y'all have me on the spot like this, man. Traveling.
Come on. Anyway.
No, I good. Traveling. 1 L.
I need to go back to school.
Yeah, 1 L. Yeah, you had me nervous there. Joanne say tech with traveling.
Okay, yeah.
I agree. Yeah. I mean, let's even take a minute on this. As simple as purchasing your tickets online. Like, I think we now, payment companies who are, what you call them people? Who sell the tickets?
Like the old ticket tours and stuff?
Yeah, okay. Reservation.
I know what you mean. Ticket agent. Ticket agents. They travel agents.
Yeah, like create your own payment websites and that person's pay online and just sell the next thing and booga. Yeah.
Anyway, what was supposed to be number 4 but now be number 5 is the ease of banking.
Ooh.
There are so many platforms out there, and so many different platforms. Like as simple as you have your phone, you go to a store, the app is on your phone, it's connected to your phone, and just swipe it to the point of sale.
Yep.
Swipe it to the point of sale, and automatically you could buy whatever you want to buy in the store. You know, sometimes what targets a thief is, you know, we women, we carry a lot of bags. You know, but if that app is on your phone,
Why? Yeah, anyway.
why are we carrying a lot of bags?
Continue.
Yeah.
That's a topic within itself.
If we could just use our phone and just swipe it or just run it across an app, it'll make everything easier, less cumbersome.
I mean, the technology exists. Don't get us wrong.
We talk about here.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm saying the technology exists, but we're hoping that such stuff would be here.
Right.
So we don't have to, to be carrying around all these bags and all of these stuff. So that's one of the things that I would like to see in the next 5 years. The ease of banking with technology.
Right, but let's even carry ease of banking a bit further, right?
Mm-hmm.
As simple as, why do I need an envelope to put my money in the ATM? Like,
maybe it's because go ahead. Go ahead.
No, because in the States, when you go to the ATMs, you just put the money directly in. It automatically counts the money as it's being deposited in, and then it verifies the money, and then the money is on your account. Right. Like why we still wasting trees?
Okay, well, what I was going to say was that maybe those machines only recognize US dollars. So doing that, well, I'm just saying.
I don't about ease of. No, I'm not. I don't care why. Don't get me wrong. I don't care why.
So they need to tell the developers of these machines.
Buy new machines.
They did recognize Bahamian dollars.
No, recognize all currency. All currency.
But we don't take all currency over here, though.
Yeah, but we take Bahamian and US.
Yeah, well then.
Right. Anyway. But even the US currency is, you can't just put the money in the machine and then it recognizes. You have to put the money in an envelope and then push it in the machine, in the ATM. You have to. Eliminate that. Eliminate the waste of cutting out a tree just to put paper inside. Anyway.
Y'all would think you actually like trees, but anyway.
You just cut that whole tree for whatever.
That was shady, people.
Anyway, and then another thing. Why can't I just take a picture of my check using my banking mobile app, and then you guys just cash it? Just why
in the next 5 years, hopefully we'll be at that point in the Bahamas.
We're looking at the banks on next month. That's one of the questions.
That's one of the Sikh surprises.
No, that's not a surprise.
Nonetheless, yeah. So I mean, I think these are some very interesting things, and we hope that in the next 5 years we can look back and say, all these things happened. Remember 5 years ago we said these things we hope happen. We hope that they happen.
Yeah, but we'll continue to monitor it. We'll continue to do our part as a tech company in the Bahamas. Yeah. Advocating for these such
and
things.
Great Bahamian citizens.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Advocating for these changes for businesses to integrate technology more, to make the ease of doing business, or even just living inside the Bahamas much more easier.
Yeah, but the use of technology.
Yeah, it's through the use of technology. Because I mean, we're a third world country or classified it, but that doesn't mean that we have to
totally live it in.
Yeah, totally live that. You see what I'm saying? So I mean, I think this tonight's show was excellent. Way to end off.
Finalized by saying, happy birthday, Bahamas.
Yeah, it's the last Thursday in July. 46 years as an independent nation.
A great independent nation with great, fabulous people. Bahamians are one of the best people in the world. Well, probably the best people in the world. Yes. Yes, we are.
I agree.
Okay.
I agree. I'm not saying.
All together.
That's like a little
extra.
Yeah.
Yes, I love being a Bahamian.
People use that. Correct, but I mean, even for technology here locally, Joanne, we certainly need to improve on that.
Yeah.
You see what I'm saying? Because a lot of anyway.
Yeah. It's another circle.
Yeah. So if you guys said a no, we sell PowerPoint templates. So if you know what? Let me let the video play so you guys can know exactly what the template's all about.
You've seen it before, haven't you? PowerPoint presentations that look the same. Truth is, presenters use the default themes so much that they have become cliched, and audiences get bored after the first slide. Don't let this happen to you. Creating amazing presentations that engage audiences take a lot of time and creativity, and we're here to help. Saunders Consultant have built professional and extremely easy-to-use templates that will captivate any audience. Just add or replace text and images. You'll wonder how you ever made it without this. Contact us today. Saunders Consultants specialize in IT solutions that fit your company.
All right. So yeah. So if you guys know need some help with some PowerPoint and you want it to look professional,
Well, for our educators.
Oh, educators, yeah. Let us know. We have PowerPoint templates ready to go. All you gotta do is just change the text. Good to go. All the animation and graphics are already there. Yeah, so just thought that we would just plug that in.
Yeah.
But thank you guys so much for staying up with us. I mean, thank you guys so much for being loyal followers.
I'm bringing the drama.
I just feel the night was going to be drama.
Oh, Lord, listen. I just like a Maury moment or Jerry.
No, far from it.
Far.
Yeah.
But once again, and I can't say it, thank you for watching. Happy birthday, Bahamas. And if you guys have questions, doing and regarding your IT problems, we want you to ask us live. It's an interactive show. We want you to ask us live during Tech Thursday, and we'll help you out as best as we can with a solution, or maybe someone who we could call, because we do partner with people in the industry who we find reliable.
Yep.
If you're in on the up and up, we could tell you, don't bother with them. And if they don't like it, well, do the right thing. People are spending their money. They want the best, especially with improving their technology. So we definitely would like you guys to interact, ask the questions. Don't ask us after the show, which always happens. But we still answer most of the time.
Yeah, most of the time. Yeah.
And for business owners, especially for business owners. I know it's very interactive, but there are a lot of people starting businesses and they don't know where to start from. We're a consultancy firm. We can help you out. I mean, that's a fee, but that's what we do as well. We don't only fix things. We also give you solutions on how to make things the way, because you tend to have some very smart entrepreneurs out there.
Yeah.
And they can do things themselves.
Yeah.
So for you guys out there who are the fixer-uppers and you know what to do, you just want to understand how to do this, call us. We come out there, create a solution, do a site visit and create a solution for you guys. So we want, again, thank you. Give us a call. There is help out there in the IT world. And that's us, Saunders Consultants.
All right. Don't forget to join our notification list via WhatsApp. The number's right there on
the bottom.
The bottom. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, right there. So hit us up so you could be notified whenever we're going live or what's new and popping with Saunders Consultant or Tech Thursday. Yay. So thank you guys once again. See you guys next week, Thursday, same time, same place. And next month begins a whole new drama-fried thing.
Drama with the technology. Don't you ever think?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. We're going to bring it to you live right here on Tech Thursday. Until next week, guys.
See you later.
See you later.